Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stake KCS on KuCoin for maximum reward. I just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in. I will be just moving my asset which is top right corner bottom, and from here I will just on the top right corner you will see the finance option. So I just tap on it, and in here invest to earn stable profits. So just tap on it, and when it's load completely, so here you will see the second option is staking. So how to use staking on KuCoin? So just tap on it. So if you want to stake KCS for higher return, so just tap on it and play a part in KCS on chain governance and profit as you go. So the term is flexible and reference APR annual percentage rate is 5.41%. So if I read more, now the feature is going to stake KCS coin also be used to pay trading fees on KuCoin, hold KCS to enjoy trading discount, hold KCS to enjoy BAB benefits. And I read more, high yields. So stake KCS to share in KuCoin platform earnings and earn significant on-chain reward by staking KCS. So if I talk about the profits, so profits are credited daily. On chain profits do not need to be manually withdrawn. Profits are automatically credited to your fund account each day. So that's it. If you want to subscribe, so you can just set it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.